EPA, I think, really created a visionary network back in around the 2002 timeframe. So some of the lessons learned that we have that we think other agencies could really just pick up on. Number one, getting people involved from both the executive all the way down to the technology level, setting up a governance structure that's very inclusive of really all the community members that would be involved in any type of data exchange. So that's a real critical success factor. Obviously, government agencies more and more need to be able to share real-time information. So with the way the Exchange Network was built, given that it is a service-oriented architecture, there is an open source, what we call a node for data exchange. Any agency could just really pick up this open source node and use this technology at little to no cost. Building a governance structure, building data schemas, building the business processes around that node is something that has to be considered, but the technology itself's been developed, it's been tested, and it's available in an open source way. So that really could decrease the costs and the time required from any agency to set up a sharing mechanism. Any type of data exchange you'd have to do, whether it's among health organizations, DoD organizations, whatever the case may be, you could lift up this technology and repurpose it for whatever reporting requirement you might have or data exchange requirement you might have. So federalreporting.gov was a perfect example. They were able to kind of repurpose what EPA had already done and quickly implement it to support that business requirement. That's a real benefit of the reuse of this type of model and this type of technology, is to pull from our legacy systems and present data in a way that you can analyze the data, understand the data, and really measure performance in a more effective way.